It's a big allergy day, week, the whole shooting match. I had a serious allergy problem. It was last year or the year before, but like yesterday, it was like snowing pollen and all that stuff. But the key to it is a good nasal spray, a couple of shots of that stuff every morning and during the day or whatever, and some Benadryl or one of those types, and you're good to go. I'm telling you right now, it works. And everybody was sneezing yesterday, so looks like gonna be one of those weeks.